Bill Goudy checking in. Had a request. Bryan Rogowski. He's an excellent sub. He watches and comments all the time, but he doesn't make any videos. But I'll put his link down below. He's just a great subscriber. He wants to see a chicken pot pie. Well, you know how I am. I'm low carb. So the way I used to make a meat pie, and you can make this with any kind of filling that you want. It wouldn't have to be chicken. I mean, you could do any kind of beef or pork or tuna, you know. Yeah, you could do it all. I'm using the low carb tortillas for my pie shell. And I also use, and I didn't go to the trouble to make it this time, but I use almond flour and a little bit of butter and an egg, and I make a pie shell that way as well, and it works just as good. But the low carb tortillas were already made and were very easy, and guess what? I'm feeling lazy today. Check this out.
6 weeks later, Dr. G receives the tox report for Sam Gray, and the results are nothing short.
Mix this all up. I preheat the oven at 350 degrees. I place it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes, just depending on how brown you want it to be and how crispy you want the crust to get. Look at the goodness! Oh, it smells so good. You might remember the other day I made some chicken. I made some chicken quarters in the can cooker, and I used some of T.B. Reynolds' spice that he sent to me. Actually, I think it's Cowboy Kent Rollins spice, but T.B. Reynolds tried it, thought of me, and decided I better have some, and so he sent me some. Excellent stuff. Well, this is the leftover chicken from that cook, from that can cooker. I put it in, cut up all the leftovers and put it in with all my seasonings and my cream of mushroom soup and my cream of chicken soup, and poured it all in the pie shell. This is hot, but it's cooling down nicely. Oh, let's dig into this, shall we? Oh, it's hot too. Oh, oh wow, that is good. I have sweet bell peppers. I used the Birdseye, let's see, Normandy blend. Celery, onion, peas, carrots. No potato. I didn't use any potato. I think there's 5 net carbs in that tortilla shell. Oh, that's good. Broccoli. There's some broccoli and some chicken in there. It's hot. But it's so good. I want to thank you, Bryan. Excellent suggestion. Like, again, you could make this with any kind of filling that you want. He asked for chicken, and that's what I gave him. Thank you for watching. Bill Goudy out.